Are your Bluetooth headphones not showing or connecting on Windows 11 or Windows 10? In this video, I'll show you simple ways to fix Bluetooth headphone detection problems on your laptop or PC. Solution 1. Update Bluetooth driver. First, right-click on the Windows Start button. Open Device Manager. Expand Bluetooth. Now right-click on your Bluetooth driver. Click on Update Driver. Select Search Automatically. Again, right-click on your Bluetooth driver. Click on Update Driver. This time, select Browse My Computer for drivers. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click on Next, then click on Close. Next solution, restart Bluetooth services. Now search for services. Open Services. Double-click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Expand Startup Type and select Automatic. Click on Start. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Now double-click on Bluetooth Support Service. Expand Startup Type and select Automatic. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Then click on Restart. Finally, right-click on the Windows Start button and restart your PC. That's it. Now try connecting your Bluetooth headphones again, and the problem should be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials.